today's video we will see how to reset a Lennox air conditioner. Reset button, step by step AC unit guide. So firstly the method 1, here you can reset using the reset button if equipped. So the step 1, you can turn off the thermostat. Set your thermostat to off to prevent the system from trying to start during the reset. Step 2, locate the reset button. Inspect the outdoor condenser unit for a button labeled reset or a small push button near the compressor. Then depending on the model, it may be behind the access panel. Step 3, press and hold the button. Press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. The step 4, release and wait. So release the button and allow the system a few minutes to start. Step 5, restore cooling. Turn the thermostat back to cool mode and lower the temperature settings to test the system. Method 2, reset by power cycling the AC. Step 1, turn off the thermostat. You can set the thermostat to off. Step 2, shut off power. Locate the AC breaker in your home electrical panel and switch it off. Step 3, wait 5 minutes. Leave the power off for at least 5 minutes to allow internal electronics to fully discharge. Step 4, restore power. Turn the breaker back on. The step 5, restart the system. Turn the thermostat back to cool model and set a temperature lower than the current room temperature. Step 6, verify operation. So wait several minutes and confirm. The outdoor fan starts spinning, cool air comes from the vent. No error code appear. Goodbye.